Hello guys, welcome to this section of Power BI series. Today I want to show you guys how to create the relationship between these two tables here. In our previous session we spoke about the difference between the dimension tables and fact tables, and we said the fact table consists of numeric entities while the dimension table consists of description of this particular numeric entities. So let's see how we can actually create a relationship between these fact tables here and these dimension tables, and actually filter data between them. So here we want to actually filter data from this particular fact internet sales here and the budget. So we are going to create the connection using the keys. So here we have the date key. We want to filter that on the order date. We have the customer key. We are going to, once you add that, you see relationship will be created, and the cardinality is one to many. And let's create another one here, which is the customer key, and let's drop that, and that should also create another cardinality, a relationship between them, which is also one to many, and I will explain what that means later. Here you can see we have the product key, so we'll pick that and drop it on this, and it will also create a relationship which is let's see, also one to many. So here we have the last one, which is the budget, and the budget only has a one key, which is date. So we'll just pick that and drop it on this. Okay, let's pick it again and drop it on this. And there's one thing that I want to explain to you guys here now. Here you can see we have all these tables here, the calendar, the customer details, and the product details, all filtering one to many from the fact internet sales. But here you can see the budget is filtering one to one. So let's see how this particular calendar here can filter from this particular budget. Let's go back to our table and let me explain to you guys what I mean by the cardinality and why it should filter from one to many. So if you come back to this table here, and let's open our budget. Let's open our budget, and we can see the date. Here we actually have 1st of January appearing twice. We have 1st of January 2020. We also have 1st of February 2020, and we also have 1st of April 2020. Here you can see that we have first appearing twice or more, and the same year appearing more than one. So this is not actually linear the way it's supposed to be. So this is actually many. They are actually not arranged the way it's supposed to arrange, because we're supposed to have 2020, we're supposed to have 2021, and everything arranged linear. But if we go back to this date here now, let's come back to our calendar. Let's come back to our calendar here, and let's open our date. And here you can see that the date is arranged linearly. We have from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and everything is arranged linearly. So this is supposed to filter one to many, because if you look at our budget here, the dates are appearing more than once. So we are supposed to filter one to many. So let me go ahead and explain to you guys how we can edit this particular cardinality here. Just click on this particular two arrow there you are seeing there, and you can see the cardinality is one to one, but we want it to be one to many. So if I open this, you can see we have many to one. When we have many to one, that is, we have just like I've explained the difference between the budget and the calendar. We have a lot of dates appearing on the calendar. I want to filter it to a particular single date, that is, it is appearing only once on the budget, then we can use this many to one. But here we want to filter it one to many, and if we do that, we also have to change the filtering, the cross filtering, because we don't want to filter the date, the budget from the calendar. We want to filter the calendar from the budget, so it's going to be single. So it's going to be only one way. Are you seeing it? It's one to many now. So it's single. Now let's go ahead and apply the OK. So here let's hold on and see, and here you can see it has changed. It has changed from that particular one to one from one to many. Same thing goes for the others. You can go ahead and change the cardinality. Just click on this particular button here and you edit the cardinality. If you want to filter from both, if you want it to go back, just the way we did from this one here, just the way we did from this one here, it's actually one to many, single. Just will do different. So you can filter both, that is, you can both filter from the cross filtering, can go from each table to one table, or you can go from single from the other one to the other side. So let's go ahead and apply it. So this is how you create your model. So now if we go ahead, okay, there's actually another error again. It's actually one to many. I want to feature the calendar from the date. So let's apply it. Let's see. Yes, it has changed. It's now one to many. So this is how you can create your model and actually create your relationship between them. And that will be all for this section. In the next section, we are going to go ahead and see how we can start visualizing our data in this report view here, and we'll do an overview on the different data, and we'll also continue, which is why you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I really want you guys to miss out when another video is being dropped, so that you'll be the first person to notify. To be notified, you have to also turn on the notification button. That will be all for this section. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.